gonna reset for 100%. Welcome guys, today we had a 2007 Lincoln Navigator with a 5.4 Ford engine. Today we'll do oil change, check some couple components, and show you how to reset the oil pressure light. Here's the oil filter. We'll be taking it off with the tool, and this is the oil case. Here's the setup. I just took the 16mm bolt, drain bolt, and drained the oil. This is the drain bolt. I'll be tightening it down soon. And that's the oil filter. I'll take it. Here's the oil filter. We'll be taking it off with the tool. You set up the oil pan here, the oil drain, because the oil is gonna go like there, goes down into the drainer. I'll be taking it off. What I will be doing with this one here and open it. Just allow the seal to stay as is. $5W20, that's what the engine rated for. $5W20. It's rated for 20,000 miles. The 5.4 engine takes about 7 quarts with empty filter, so I used already 5 quarts. I was about 3 quarts or 2 quarts from this gallon, and save the rest. A little over, but it's fine. When we start, the car is gonna go down because of the filter capacity. Now we put the oil, we change the filter. We're gonna start the car for 10 seconds and then check the oil level, see if it's fine. We started the car, we let it run for 10 seconds, and then we waited for half a minute, and we're gonna check the level. The level up to here, it's a perfect match. (2007) Lincoln Navigator oil pressure reset. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil maintenance light on a 2007 Lincoln Navigator. To access the oil pressure, you press the setup bottom, is gonna change, and once you see the oil life, you're gonna hold the reset button. It's on the dash panel here next to the radio. You keep holding the reset, and then here you go. You keep holding it, and then it's gonna reset for 100%. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.